So, so there's always going to be a miscommunication because certain people wasn't at the meeting, certain people were, and the certain people that wasn't, ergo kunta, wouldn't know certain aspects have changed. Common sense is a hell of a drug. That's all I'm saying. Beautiful drug too. Common sense, yes.
Petty issue about a being HCG and a screaming Hoover.
The script don't change, Kuta. The script don't change. Not Hooverland can change it. Not police, not Egypt.
This ain't even changing the script.
Y'all idiots. Don't press